Searching for utility and comfort, but don't want to have to sacrifice the styling? Have a look at this 2018 Hyundai Tucson SEL in dazzling white. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, roof rack, heated door mirrors, 17-inch aluminum wheels, heated seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, HD radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, speed sensing steering, tractional control, and so much more. For additional details or to set up a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5401.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.